YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. Jack of all tips and tricks. I use these gloves quite often. They're obviously just cheap Harbor Freight ones, but if you look at mechanics gloves, they look almost identical the way they're made. But besides that point, storing them and making sure you always can find too. So a little thing that I've always done with these that have Velcro on them for as long as I can remember. If you take it, you actually put them one in front of the other. Take this one, put that on that one. This is from the back glove here. Put this, see, that's from the back glove. Put that one on top of that one. Then Velcro it here. And peel this off. Fold this one back. Velcro it to the one in the back. See? That way they kind of stay flat and they don't fall apart. You don't lose one and can only find one at a time. So just a little simple trick. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.